I went upstairs. I went to the roof. Our roof needs washing because of what do you call this? Skin coat. That's the dirt of the skin coat po. We put net on the what you call alulod, so that the leaves won't block the downspout po, the leaves of the mango tree. Also ayan, they are working underneath, laying out the spandrel. After painting po, we will power washer here. We will use the power washer to clean the roof po.